Well, we have a rarity today. Not only have I washed my flight jacket for the first time in about 10 years, well, you know, that's just why you can't see it on the back, but like, we've got what's on the other side of that. A real old Soviet bruiser. Let's take a look. So, here we go. How about that? Look at the size of that. That is what is known as the Slava tank. It's called a tank because of its shape, but also because it was favoured apparently by, you know, people who drove, you know, it is a very, it's insanely tough watch. It's automatic, day, which has got, what's happened is the pusher at the side there is corroded a bit, needs to be cleaned up before I can get it changed to date. Keeping good time. This came from Moldova, and you know, good old acrylic glass, non-loomed hands, even though it looks like there's loom painted on them, but they're non-loomed. Simple clasp. And this one's been through the wars. I've done some remedial work to the clasp because before it was like clack, clack, clack. Now it doesn't. And there you go, look at that. Isn't that just a beast? Yeah. Just look at the size of the links. You know, these ain't like, you know, like folded links either. These are like big solid billets of metal just pinned together. I think the middle links are folded. I think that's how they do the folding. But these things on the outside, they're actually solid metal, and it weighs an absolute, you can actually feel the weight of it. And I like weighty watches. I've only cleaned the crystal today, just rudimentarily. I'm going to get to work on these scratches. There's quite a lot of them. So there you go, Slava tank. I'll see you in the other view. So, what do you think of that then? That's what I mean by just how bloody big this thing is. It is absolutely brutal. This is how they describe it on some of the listings you see of these watches. But none of them seem to be quite as good as this one here. This is in very, and it's automatic. I mean, I can wear it, you know, just shake it like that and it winds up. You can hear it winding the rotor. You know. It's the sort of hand that you have on the back of a Soviet fist. Well, let's have some updates on the stuff I've built. Still going strong. Absolutely. Keeping good time. I've got it nailed down. Well, that's the point. Like, the Slava seems to be gaining a bit. And of course that one as well, like, you know, it seems to be keeping reasonably good time. Well, I said about putting a bracelet on this. I did. Oh, I think that looks quite good. Have a quick look at that. I think I might have to demagnetise the Slava if it's gaining. This is quite an old fitted bracelet, and I put it on the wrong way round, but yeah, I think that does it. That works. That's where I want it to be. If I can get the bloody thing off again. So, I'm loving this. I'm absolutely, you know, I mean, you get to see the size of it, and I mean the weight of it, like, you know, is heavier than, like, you know, certain things I wish were as heavy as that, like, you know. There you go. So that's a bit of Soviet history. It's actually got the Slava, the Soviet mark of quality on the back. You know, and like, that's a 1970s, 1980s sort of era watch. It was coming around like when the Soviets were still going quite strong before the fall of the Berlin Wall and all that. You know, when the Russians thought that they were sitting pretty. I mean, you know, it is a very, very macho, manly, sort of pugnacious, in-your-face sort of thing. Like, you know, when you're telling time with some attitude. You know, see, these rap stars, they have no idea about, or, you know, all they do is they get older stuff, coat it in gold and diamonds, and they think, oh yeah, that's sick. Oh, yeah. Soviets were like up to it long before you were, mate. I mean, they all go off these royal bloody oaks, like, you know, and I think they look horrible, especially when you can buy like an exactly the same watch made by a Chinese company called Diden or Dildo or something like that. Right, exactly the same watch, you know, like for about 50 quid. Who's getting ripped off there? You know, they take them to these places in America and they get them, like, you know, layered with, like, you know, 2 ounces of gold and big lumps of jewels put into it and that, like, they just look stupid. So I have been watching, like, and I've been enjoying it. It's something called Warrior Nun. Well, I didn't think I'd watch it for much, like, because I've been watching it. I only called it because it came up with Snowpiercer, like, new episode of Snowpiercer. And I thought, well, yeah, I'll give that a bit of a go. And I'm actually on the last episode now, so, you know, I will watch that before I go to bed, and, you know, that'll be, you know, I mean, it's not in your face sort of religion. I mean, you know, there is some religious undertones. Of course, they're nuns. Well, these are nuns that you know, like, ain't very happy ladies, like, sort of nuns, like, you know, not spiteful, like, you know, Irish mother superiors, but, like, you know, absolute hard case, kick your bollocks up through your eyeballs sort of thing, like, you know. Definitely worth. I mean, you know, it's a bit like, you know, I would have called it ninja nuns more than, like, you know, what's it, warrior nuns, because they're all like ninjas. So that's probably where the idea came from. Anyway, I will leave this with you, like last fleeting glance. I'm very pleased with that. The only thing I've noticed with this one as well is when I'm wearing it, my wrist feels warm. I just wonder if there's, like, you know, some sort of radiation coming off of it or something. I'm joking. I mean, you know, that is, like, you know, that just fits the collection so well. Well done, Slava. Well done, Soviets. And I will see you in the next one.